You today how to this AI tools, a very nice AI tools. So document AI platform for team buried in manual paperwork. So turn complex document into structural insight. So this is a nice AI tool that you can use. So you just sign up. So once you sign up, and then they have different kind of element here, and you can add your document type. So the nice thing is this AI, it helps you to pull different kind of fields from the forms that you have, things like bank statements, bill, invoice. So it can help you to extract fields from the document. So let's say, for instance, we have this form here, form W9. So you have something like that, and then you can upload it. So yeah, so you can upload that one. So you click here, and then after that you upload it. So yeah, so you're gonna upload it from your computer. So once you upload, you click next. So now it's kind of like processing. Okay, it takes a while to process. So once you finish the process, click, and then after that you're gonna get your result here. So as you can see those all those elements that you have here. So name, business name, exam pay code, and blah blah. So all the stuff you see. So it just helps you to extract all those fields for you that you can try to use later. And then after that, you also you can proceed to use the chat. You can ask the chat AI anything according to the document, and then yeah, so that's really help a lot. So it's something that you go through it, and then you exercise. You can download it, you test it out, you see what we can do more with it. So yeah, we can download this as the field. Yeah, and then you can download different kind of fields, CSV and stuff like that. So you can have this one here. It can help you if you want to pull those items easily. Yeah, so it's a really nice tools just to go and then play around with it. And then there is a lot of different kind of items here, and you can see we have different kind of items. You can see this stuff they're already here, you see. So you can export the data as table, and then after that, let's say for instance you are using HubSpot, so you can directly download this one here as a CSV and then import it into HubSpot. Yeah, and then you create properties, or you import it into whatever CRM you're using, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamic, and so forth. All right, great stuff. Nice.